The final stage of finishing a wheel and pinion assembly is to polish the pinion flanks. And when we talk about the pinion flanks, we're referring to the ends of the steel pinion here. And what's very traditional in high quality English work is to apply a black polish to the face of these leaves. And in order to do that, it's a hand treatment that we apply to the part. And to do that, we use very simple tools, which are a steel ferrule, such as this here, and then we use a grinding paste. And then the basic tools that we use is this bow assembly here, and the purpose of it is to revolve the pinion in both anti and clockwise directions with the bow while applying the steel ferrule to the face, and hopefully to grind and bring out a black polish onto the surface of the component. So here we have the steel ferrule, and I've just filed the surface of it flat, and I just need to apply some polish around where the pinion will make contact with the steel. So just put a few dabs over the surface there. And then we can take the wheel and basically drop the wheel into the hole like that. And then basically what we do is to just make sure that we have control of the carrier here so we don't scratch the polished surface of the wheel, and slot the carrier through the spokes, and then just hold it there in its little cup with the end of the pinion in the cup. And basically all we do then is just to turn the pinion back and forth like that. Not very big movements initially, because we need to make sure that we create a nice flat smooth surface, and then gradually increasing as we feel the diamond paste is cutting the surface of the pinion. I need to just increase that. And what we can feel is the pinion basically sliding beneath the steel block. And if it's sliding and it's keeping very nice and flat, then we can almost be sure that it's creating a nice polish on the pinion flanks. Okay. And now just to clean the surface with some Rodico. And that looks to be good. So we'll just clean it now, ready for a final examination. The wheel has now been cleaned, and just for the final inspection we just have to check to make sure that the polish on the top of the wheel is good. There are no marks have been created. Turn the wheel upside down and again just check the underside. And obviously of interest here is just to check the pinion flanks to make sure that the polish is good and that there are no fine scratches or curves appearing on the surface. But this, as you see, when we tilt it through the light, it flashes blackness back at us, and that means that we have a good strong black polish, and this wheel is now ready for putting into a wristwatch.